Jeffrey Epstein's case is not just a criminal story, but rather the story of a frightening network of the world's powerful people. This case shows us how money, power, and influence come together to weaken the law. Epstein was a billionaire financier, but his real identity was defined by his elite connections. According to reports, his relationships extended to powerful politicians, Hollywood stars, business tycoons, and even members of royal families around the world. Flight logs, court documents, and media investigations show that many famous individuals traveled on Epstein's private jet and to his private island. However, it is important to understand that mere association does not mean that a crime is proven. The most terrifying aspect of Epstein was his blackmail network. According to allegations, he trapped elite individuals in illegal and immoral situations and then secretly recorded those activities. Experts say that Epstein used cameras, hidden rooms, and compromising footage to exert pressure on powerful people. Through this blackmail, he maintained his protection and influence. Epstein was not alone. Ghislaine Maxwell, who was later convicted, is considered a central part of this network. She is accused of recruiting underage victims and delivering them to elite circles. This network was not limited to sex crimes alone. Reports suggest that this system was also used for political favors, financial crimes, and intelligence-level leverage. Many well-known politicians and celebrities have documented photos and meetings with Epstein. Media investigations raised the question of why Epstein was protected for so long despite his immense power. In 2008, Epstein received a highly controversial deal in which he was given a very light sentence. This deal raised questions worldwide about whether the justice system is different for powerful people. In 2019, Epstein's death inside jail made this case even more mysterious. Official reports call it a suicide. It is also true that photos of Donald Trump, Bill Gates, and Michael Jackson with Epstein and their names have come before the world. However, the appearance of images or meetings alone is not enough to declare any person responsible for a crime. If someone has truly committed a crime, then the decision can only be made by a court, not by social media or public opinion. This is also an aspect that is often discussed, that if Epstein trapped these famous individuals in wrongdoing, manipulated them, or blackmailed them, then the primary responsibility for the crime falls on Epstein himself. In such a situation, if any person was involved under pressure or blackmail, then their legal judgment should also be made only through evidence and due court process. And if it is proven that Epstein's death was not a suicide,